Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure contact access permissions on Windows 11. So let's start by click start icon and click settings. Here you can try to find privacy and security, and here you can scroll down and try to search under application permission is a contacts. So you can click it. Here in the contact access, anyone using this device can choose if their application have access to their contact when this is on. By default, this is on, but here you can try to turn it off. So there is a bug, maybe suddenly the settings is like close immediately, but no worries. Here, let apps access your contact, like you can choose which apps can access your contacts. Mail and calendar is on by default, and if you use this people, Microsoft people, you can turn this on. So here there are so many requests for mail and calendar from my recent activity. You can review contact access from the last 7 days. The most recent data is also captured in other section on this page. You can click next if you want to more the access history. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next